storm, Bob.
Don't worry, they'll be fine.
Where's Mr. Bentley?
I'm still better, Mr. Bentley.
Oh, yes. Sorry, Philip.
Everyone okay?
Oh, no problem, Bob.
I had a lovely nap.
I've never felt so filthy in my entire life.
We're fine, Bob. Right, let's have a look at these sand sculptures.
What a relief. How long have we got to finish off the sculptures?
Just 10 minutes. I'm sure about that.
What can we make in 10 minutes?
Oh, that's brilliant.
Thanks. Oh, it was all my dad's idea.
Well done. Wonderful.
Super!
Very impressive. Fantastic. That's brilliant. Well done. Right. Ta-da! Oh. Never mind. It's the taking part that counts.
Huh? Well, Wendy, I think we finally found something we can't build.
It's time to announce our worthy winners, Leo and Curtis.
Yeah!
Well done.
Well done.
Thank you.
Oh.
Sorry, Mayor Madison.
Oh.
Come on, you can wash the sand off at the tap. No way!
I don't believe it.
I'm so sorry, Madam Mayor. I haven't been able to locate
My ring! It must have slipped off when I first washed my hands.
Oh,
Mr. Bentley, there's no time to stand around looking glum. I have a ball to go to.
yes, Madam Mayor.
Mr. Bentley, you worry too much.
Oh.
Hiya, Team Bob! Is everyone excited about finishing the fitness trial? Oh, yes! That's the sporting spirit! Wow!
Sky Sampson! Spring City's most famous athlete and world champion!
Sky will be organising the fun run.
Tell me, Sky, how did you manage to break world records in running, swimming, and the egg and spoon race?
Never give up! Or forget your fruits and veggies. I'm a big fan of broccoli for breakfast.
Broccoli for breakfast? Yuck! Bob, can we have broccoli tomorrow?
No, Scoop. You're a machine, remember? You have a diet of diesel.
Oh, that's right.
All right, everyone. We've got a fitness trail to finish.
You heard him. Let's go, Team Bob!
Climbing frame complete.
Super job, Team Bob! No time to rest. As a special treat, I've signed you all up for the fun run. Who's excited?
Me! Not me.
Super. Then let's get training. First up, star jumps. Go, team, go! That's not exercise, Leo.
Here, so I'm exercising my thumb. How am I doing, Sky?
Careful, Scoop.
Sorry, I'm just excited about competing in the fun run.
I don't know how to tell you this, Scoop, but you're not competing.
Oh, but I want to break a world record, just like Sky.
I'm sorry, Scoop, but the fitness trail is only built for people.
Speaking of which, could you two give me a hand with the swing bridge, please? We'll need to knot the ropes together.
It's not fair. Everyone else gets to have fun in the fun run. Unless...
Uh-oh.
Oh, I've just had a brilliant idea!
Yay! Whenever you see that, something not brilliant happens.
Not this time, Lofty. Guess what? We're going to have our own super fun spotting event!
Diggers, dumpers and cranes, welcome to the Muscle Machine Games!
Yeah! I remember building this path. Bob, it winds all the way down to the cliff. I thought we finished it.
Not quite, Scoop. The mayor's decided this will be Fixham's new Dino Park attraction, with life-size models of dinosaurs.
What's a dinosaur?
They were huge lizards that lived a very, very long time ago.
How many dinosaurs will there be?
5. An Ankylosaurus, an Iguanodon, a Stegosaurus, and the Pterodactyl.
Uh-oh. That's only 4 dinosaurs, Bob.
And there'll be one special Triceratops model that can move and roar.
Whoa!
That makes 5.
So, lots of dinosaurs are coming?
The dinosaurs are only models. Don't be scared, Muck.
I'm not scared.
We need to add gates, signs, and position the dinosaur models along the route. Let's get going, team.
What was that? A dinosaur. Oh no! A dinosaur might get me!
Oh, fuck! Did you think I was a big yellow dinosaur?
No need to be spooked, Muck.
I don't think I like dinosaurs.
Actually, when I was a small boy, I was a bit frightened of them too. You were scared, Leo. Do you know how I got over it?
How?
I pretended to roar like a dinosaur, as loud as I could, like this. Try it, Muck.
Okay. Like that.
That sounded fierce. You feel better?
A little bit. Thank you, Leo.
We need some more wood chippings to finish this path. Would you two go and fetch some?
Sure, Bob.
Can't take any more!
It's going to collapse!
That wasn't supposed to happen, was it?
Oops.
The bear's arriving on the next plane. Are you ready? Are you ready? Bob, where did the bear's habitat go?
Don't worry, Jenny. Just a little hiccup with the foundations. Bob will put it right.
What happened, Scoop?
I'm so sorry, Bob. I just wanted to give the big, fierce mountain bear a big, tall mountain to live on so that it would be happy.
Sorry, Bob.
I'm really sorry too, Bob. I should have known better.
No, Lofty, I persuaded you to build it higher. I'm sorry, it really is all my fault.
Jenny's in a panic. I hope you have a backup plan, Bob.
I didn't design the mountain to be as tall as Scoop wanted, but I do like his idea.
Brilliant!
Yes, and
If we use shingle and concrete as the base, instead of shingle and soil, we could build 4 different levels instead of 3. Can you fetch us some quick drying concrete, Two-Ton?
I can bring some now, Bob, before I collect the bear.
Thanks, Two-Ton.
You're very welcome.
and then we'll all have to work extra hard to get it finished.
We will, Bob.
Anything you say.
You can count on us.
Can we fix it?
Yes, we can!
Everyone.
The tree lights are going to look great, Wendy.
Well, let's test them and see.
Hey, Wendy, I'm about to start making the snow. Can you help me carry the bottles of fluid?
Sure, I'm all finished here.
Bob is here, and the tree lights are twinkling. This is the perfect time to give him his Christmas present.
Now, Lofty.
Oh,
you're ruining the display.
But I'm trying to find it.
Lofty, you're in the way!
No, it. Oh, where is it? Oh, never mind. Bob's gone. I'll find it later.
Come on, Muck, let's finish the display.
Is there snow yet?
Not yet. Once the fluid is in, the machines need to be switched on.
Oh, then is there snow?
Not quite. The machines churn up the fluid to make tiny white bubbles that stick together, and that makes the pretend snow.
All done. Do you two want to go down and watch the snow fall over the tree?
Woo-hoo! I'm gonna see it snow!
I think that's a yes from Leo.
The display is almost finished, and I've still not given Bob his present.
We're gonna test the snow machines! Are you coming to work?
Oh, yeah, sure am.
Definitely!
I'll be there in a minute.
Oh, Lofty, please don't mess up the display again.
I won't.
I'd love to give Bob his Christmas present when it's actually snowing. Where is it? There. Just a little bit further. Oops, too far?
Stand by, Bob. I'm starting up the snow machines.
Okay, don't panic. Just back away slowly and gently.
Right, team, we're ready to start digging the foundations for the skyscraper.
We're going to dig a deep hole about the size of 3 school buses stacked up.
So, where are the buses?
Instead of actual buses, we're going to use my laser measure. It'll tell us when we've got to the right depth. Look, Scoop is exactly 5.63 metres away from me.
Hey! How far's that then?
That's about half a school bus long.
And this empty tea mug is exactly 9 centimetres deep. Hold on, team. It's Mayor Madison calling. I'd better answer this.
I love digging new ground. It's all fresh and new and ready to be scooped.
And I can't wait to get stuck into all that muck.
No machine can dig faster and deeper than me.
Hey, I bet I can clear the earth away quicker than you can dig it.
Oh, we'll soon see about that.
You two young fellows ready to load me up?
Ready?
Too right.
Hold your horsepower, you two. Wait for Bob's signal.
Oh.
Well, we can certainly try.
Hello, Mayor Madison.
Oh, hello, Wendy. I was just saying to Bob, we can't afford to hang about on this one. I want to see that skyscraper pronto.
You can't exactly rush a skyscraper, Mayor. You have to dig down before you can build up.
Great. So off you go and get digging then. Bye now.
So the Mayor stopped his digging to tell us to hurry up with the digging.
Did you hear that, Muck? That is a direct order from Mayor Madison to get digging!
Let the challenge begin!
Team, good work. Let's see if we're near the correct depth. Now what? Yes, Mayor Madison, we're digging.
OK. Let's take a break, everyone.
Oh, we were only just getting going.
Why are people always taking breaks? Us machines don't need to.
Then there's only one way.
Here you go, Bob. Go, Bob!
Watch out for my snowman!
All fixed, Leo.
Ready to launch.
Okay, Bob.
I'm really sorry for ruining your ski run. I just wanted to have fun on the snow like everyone else.
Maybe I could make it up to you by building you a really big jump.
Yes, please. That would be totally...
Extreme?
Yeah.
Sounds like a plan, Scoop. We'll set up the night skiing lights while you build the jump. Let's go.
And as your very cool city mayor, I'd like to extend a very warm welcome to the Winter in Spring Festival!
Look, Bob, I won first prize in the snowman contest. Meet Snow Bob. It's modelled on you.
It's like looking in a mirror.
Hey, super snowboarding, Bob. You caused some big air up there.
Thanks, Guy. Maybe winter's not so bad after all. Although I am still looking forward to summer.
Great. Then I can teach you how to water ski.
All right. That does sound very wicked.
Then watch this.
The skate bowl? Leo, wait!
Oh, no! How do I stop?
Are you okay, Leo?
Oh, yes, thanks, Wendy. I'm fine. But what about the skate bowl?
Oh no!
It's ruined!
And so's our video.
Oh, sorry. I shouldn't have gone into the bowl on my first day of skating.
Wait a minute. This was your first day lightning, Leo?
Sort of. Maybe. Yes.
Not to worry, Rockets. I think I know what we can do with that fresh load of cement.
Dizzy, the wickedest thing on 4 wheels is definitely you. You should be in the video.
Are you serious? Thanks, Leo. Ooh, maybe you could film it with your camera thingy.
I've done it without you, Dizzy.
Or without Leo's extra camera work.
Right, anyone up for some more skateboarding?
Bring it! Oh, no!
Wendy, I think Leo needs a few more lessons.
Here it goes! I'm scared already! Let's get this goose delivered and quick!
Lofty, where are you? Oh, I didn't lock the crate.
Ooh, super sticky play slime. No, not good enough to trick Bob. Yes, this is a brilliant trick. It will definitely make Bob jump.
So, what happens at these trail stops?
Guests put their hand in the hay and pull out either a trick or a treat. Why don't you have a go? Find anything?
Yes! A Halloween cookie! What a great treat!
I don't understand. You should have... Oh.
Who knew? Not more noises! Who's there?
Okay, no one. Only me.
I'm the ghost! I'm not scared, I'm not scared, I'm not scared! Yes, I am! Yes, I am! Yes, I am!
If this doesn't make Bob jump, nothing will. Hey, Bob! Why don't you take a turn at this trail stop?
Oh, what's this I found? A toffee apple! Another treat! Wow!
I don't get it. The spider was supposed to... Oh!
This entrance is gonna be cool!
Oh, Wendy! Your ghost is here! You need to back me!
Oh dear.
What's that?
It looks like a ghost!
Get it out! Fish! Get out! Oh, it's fluffing about!
Watch out, Scoop! Slow down!
Oh, thank goodness it's gone.
What's going on?
Oh, are you going to fall in? Help!
It's okay, Lofty. You're not going to fall. Stay calm. Slowly drive forwards.
It's not working!
None of Lofty's wheels are touching the ground, Bob.
What are we gonna do?
It's a shame we can't just reel him in like a fish.
Hang on a minute. That gives me an idea. Lofty, don't move. Just do exactly what I say. Scoop, come forward really slowly so that your front bucket is below Lofty's hook. Lofty, let your hook drop so Scoop can carry it. Wendy, Rio, go with Scoop and attach Lofty's hook to the base of the spar. You'll be fine, Lofty.
Ready, Bob?
Okay, stand back now. Now, Lofty, start pulling your hook in really slowly. That's it, you're doing fine. And now, drive forward very gently.
Yeah!
Well done, Lofty.
Thank you, Bob.
I'm sorry, Lofty. We shouldn't have been messing about by the river. I put Lofty in danger and we've lost part of the bridge. The race will be ruined now.
Don't worry, Scoop. You helped put things right too.
Did I?
Yes. You said we should reel Lofty in like a fish, and that's exactly what we did.
Except Lofty hasn't got ugly teeth and spikes down his back.
We'll get the bridge finished in time if we all work together. Can we build it?
Yes, we can! Right, I should just try to get some rest. Must get some sleep. Maybe I should try counting sheep. Oh no, they're boring. I'll try tyres. 1, 2. What is that smell? Yikes! Ah, double yikes! A real emergency!
Nearly there, Bob. We don't want all this lovely ice cream melting.
Nearly there, Chef Tatty.
Bob, it's Scoop! It's an emergency!
Another one, Scoop. Did you get some rest?
No, but there's a fire, Bob! A fire in the yard!
Look, Scoop. You need to get rest. Otherwise, you're going to keep on exaggerating these small problems.
But Bob!
Rest, Scoop. Over and out.
Ah! Got to save the yard. But what do I do? Oh, I can pick it up because I'm made of metal. So, if Bob won't come to the fire, I'll have to take the fire to Bob. Then I'll have to put it out. Oh, no! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
You've got some amazing types of ice cream here, Chef Tatty. Thank you. I invented them myself.
Do people prefer the pizza flavour to the sardine and spinach flavour?
We'll never know, Lofty, if we don't get them in the freezer soon. They'll melt.
Scoop?
Okay, Start to panic, Scoop. Drop it onto the sand.
Oh, it's really hot now! Oh no, what have I done?
Get back, everyone.
But this is a real emergency! But I must put the fire out! Oh, the sea's too far away! Oh, I've got it!
Great idea, Scoop. Quick, Muck, copy, Scoop. Will do, Bob. Well done for putting the fire out, Scoop. But you should never pick something up that's on fire.
I know, Bob, but I was so tired and confused.
Still, I should have listened to you when you said it was an emergency.
Yeah, but I should never have exaggerated so much. I'll never, ever, ever exaggerate again in my whole life, ever.
What's done is done. You saved the yard, and luckily, only the roof's ruined.
What about the ice cream? In half an hour, it'll be completely melted.
Half an hour, you say? We can do that.
So you can fix this?
Yes, we can!
Train.
But how?
Magnet 1, this is Leo. The track's broken. Brake now. Brake now.
Warning received loud and clear. Applying brakes now.
I am so sorry. I put the team in danger. All because I couldn't concentrate on one job at a time.
You managed it in the end.
And save the train.
But what are we going to do about the station and the track?
There's just enough time before the train makes its first journey. So, can we fix it?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
driver, please.
Bob, why aren't you on the train?
I lost my ticket. Hold up, Scoop. Wait for my signal.
Now!
Good work, partner. That was extra noisy and extra brilliant.
You know, Bob, I think I might be a thoroughbred machine. Here they come.
Ready, Leo? This is your chance to be a real cowboy and round up those horses.
And they're in top gear.
Don't worry, I grew up with horses. Here's what we're going to do. Lofty, extend your crane arm as far as you can and as fast as you can. We're going to make a barrier and steer them back into their paddock. It's not fast enough. It's not going to reach in time.
I didn't know you grew up with horses, Wendy.
Oh, yes, I rode them all the time. Wooden ones, on the merry-go-round.
Well, Bob, that was smart work getting my horses back. I hope you've got another good idea about how to get them into these stables before dark.
There's nothing for it but hard graft and starting over. We'll get them rebuilt, even if it takes all night.
Oh, Muck. I've let everybody down. The stables would be finished by now if I hadn't scared the horses. A real cowboy would never do that. Only there was something I could do to make up for it.
Right, here's the plan. Wendy and Lofty will stay on site with me to rebuild the stables. Leo, you can take Scoop and Muck back to their garages. At least some of us can get a good night's sleep.
Even if the horses don't. All that galloping and now nowhere for them to sleep. Oh, they'll be too tired to even walk around the track tomorrow.
Nowhere for them to sleep. Hang on, Bob. Yeah? No, Pilchard, it's not for you.
Good night, Muck.
Night, night. Sleep tight. Make sure your brake's on right.
Thank you for giving up your bays for the night.
You were right, Leo. Our machine bays are just like horse stables, just bigger.
Yep, 3 bays for 3 tired horses. 3 buckets of oats and 3 buckets of water. I feel like a real cowboy now.
Yeah. Look at us all sleeping under the stars. It's just like the Wild West.
Well done, Cowboy Leo. You made that into a real Wild West roundup.
Well done, team. It took all night, but we did it. Those racehorses will sleep well in their new stables tonight. We still have a problem. The parachute is torn, and there isn't a spare.
Stella can't go into space without her parachute. Otherwise, she won't be able to come back home safely.
Bob, I think I know how to fix it.
Lofty, really carefully, please. Well done, Lofty! Phew. Let's get over to mission control.
Need to be patient, JJ.
Here we go. All together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Where is Stella now?
There!
It was a great idea to use the banner to patch the parachute, Lofty. You saved the launch and Stella's coming down in a safe area, just like I planned.
Well done, Lofty. Well done, May.
Thank you, Bob. Stella's a record breaker.
If you feel like breaking another record, May, could you build a rocket so I can be the first crane into outer space? Lofty, the space crane.
Interesting proposal. Let's see. Yes, I could.
This is such a great spot for a kiosk, Chef Patty.
Thanks, Lofty. You know, today is going to be the hottest day of the year. So I was wondering, Bob, if you'd be able to get it built by this afternoon, as everyone will be desperate for an ice cream.
What do you think, team? Can we build it?
Yes, we can!
If only there was someone to play with.
Hey, Pilchard! You want to hang out? Oh, I'll play a game together! Okay, not sure I know this game. Is it a copying game? Shall I copy you? Pilchard? Oh, you fancy a different game? Pilchard!
Oh, I wish I was at the beach with everyone else.
How are we doing for time, Bob? Folks will be wanting their ice cream soon.
We're well on schedule, Chef Tatty.
Scoop to Bob. Come in. Over.
Bob here. Over.
Hi, Bob. Bit of a situation here back at the yard.
Go on.
We've got a dripping hose.
Go on.
Well, that's it.
Scoop, we really need to finish the kiosk.
So I think the dripping hose can wait. But thanks for telling me, and try to get some rest. Bye, Scoop.
Oh, the only thing is...
It's dripping quite fast, and I'm just worried that the whole yard might get flooded.
I mean, can Pilchard swim if it's an emergency?
Right. Better safe than sorry. I'll head straight back. Muck, I need a lift back to the yard. Sorry, Chef Tatty. Won't be long. Perhaps that wasn't quite an emergency, Scoop. It was a bit of an exaggeration to say the yard was going to flood.
Well, it was pretty drippy, so I thought I'd better tell you.
I'd better get back, or we'll be behind schedule on the build. Try to get some rest, Scoop.
Okay, Bob.
I know we've just got here, but are you ready to head back to the beach, Muck?
You bet, Bob!
hasn't been built to hold a person your size. It's for little robots only. We're going to get you down, but you mustn't move a muscle, okay?
Oh, I'm in the movies. I've got to
Leo!
D11D!
Are you all right?
I'm okay, I think.
Are you sure you're not hurt?
I'm fine. But look what I've done to the rocket.
Looks like that's the end of D11D. Hooray! Oh, sorry. And the end of my film.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
Better?
I'm okay, except I'll never see Space Robots 3, and nor will anyone else.
Unless we can think of a way to fix D11D.
We build an all-new D11D, D12D.
I'm afraid a new robot would take months to build rather than hours.
What about if we clean up D11D, put him on wheels, and move him around with ropes?
Except the audience will see the ropes, and that's not a good look for a space robot.
Oh, poor Sappy. Now she's never gonna meet her robot hero. Hey, wait a minute. Sappy can do the D11D noises perfectly.
And she's about the same size. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Leo?
I think so, Bob.
Wendy, can you get the rocket back up and the set in shape? If Leo and I sort out the D11D problem.
With the help of these guys, I can.
In that case, there's only one thing to say. Action!
Here we go. Action!
Bubble, bubbly, soppy bubble. Bee-bubble beep, bee-bubble beep, bee-bubble beep.
Cut! Fantastic! What a great scene! Okay.
But what nobody knew is that something strange lurked in the woods.
Then what happens, Leo?
I can see it on fire. Come up with Leo.
It rumbled and grumbled in the darkness. It had eyes so big and bright they could blind you, and a cry so terrifying that it could turn your hair white overnight.
I don't like the sound of that.
Don't be silly, Muck. Put your lights on if you're scared.
Oh. Oh.
Ah!
The creature!
Quick, everyone get into Betsy!
What if all our hair turns white?
Don't be so silly. And please let go of my hand. Both of you. I was just trying to make you feel safer.
I think we should stay here till the lights have gone.
Shall I hold your hand,
Help! Help me, please! Help me!
Stay there. We're going home.
Seatbelts on, everyone, and stop it for nothing.
Oh, no! Leo, don't go! Don't leave me here with the creepy crawlies!
Oh.
Oh?
Thank goodness we're home.
I was so scared. Were you, Dizzy?
Where is Dizzy?
I thought she was behind you.
So did I. We have to go back and look for her.
Not on our own, it's too scary. We'll have to wake Bob up. Wake up!
Oh, now what?
Wake up!
Bob, we did something silly.
And we've lost Dizzy!
We're really sorry, Dizzy.
We didn't realise you weren't with us until we got back to the yard.
Are you okay, Dizzy?
I'm fine, but he isn't.